One of our helpers got some new tools. Let's go see what he got. Happy for the little dude. Let's see. Oh, see, here's what bothers me about these. Like, these heads are similar.
Right.
Like,
exactly.
same size. Like,
Exactly.
well, this
really
one is closed up, but this two right here, these three, basically the same thing. Yeah, that's crazy. They should have gave us a little.
But as long as they got a small one that's got the.
Yeah, this one's gonna be used a lot.
Yeah, that's gonna be good on.
Pittsburgh. Did you see the icon up there?
No, these are
These Pittsburgh. They're still Lifetime, but they had those icons, the so-called pro version.
Yeah, exactly. Pro version.
Lifetime warranty is pro version.
Exactly.
Oh, you good? You ready? U.S. General. You got the socket set.
Got the Harbor Freight setup, man.
See, this is a good way to keep up with inventory.
Yep.
Because if a hole missing,
Yeah, my 18 I've been lost.
You lost?
I don't know.
That ain't. Well, that ain't it.
Huh?
That I was pointing to that socket. That ain't it.
These ones right here, those are gonna be the ones down here in this area.
See, that's why I need to, just in order to stay organized.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a big. Okay.
Cause I was gonna get one of those trays, but there's no point if I got this.
Yeah. You can just reach down there.
Exactly.
But this is damn good for inventory. Cause I got crap all over the place because I ain't got it stored.
Yeah. But this way, if I'm missing something, I can look at it and like evaluate.
Well, your screwdrivers go right here.
Yeah.
Your screwdrivers.
I don't have any big pry bars yet or anything. That's probably the next thing I need to get. Some damn pry
At the
bars.
same place, Harbor Freight.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with that. This wasn't around when I got in the game. We had a Snap-on truck, not the Harbor Freight truck. Then you got a lot of drawers to work on.
Yeah. I'm about to run out of room soon.
Oh, you got another? Oh, this is a torque bit set.
Yeah, torque bits. I got the
wrenches.
Yeah, Allen's. All that.
You gotta buy stuff for it. Well, where you keep your electric drills? Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that's gonna go back to chips.
It's a little rocky though.
Dude, you put it together wrong. That's why.
Hey, come on, man.
You missing a shim.
Hey, it rolls around, man. It'll be alright.
Oh, you keep it right here. Just throw your loose bolts right there. Good deal. Now the Pro, this is my Russian buddy. We go from the little version to the big version. This is my Russian buddy, the Pro. Everything else, ooh, that's so expensive I can't touch it. So you see how his pry bars is? He got the hammer version.
Yeah, he's got the ones you can smack on.
You can bang on these. Yeah, these gotta be. These ain't no Harbor Freights here.
Hell no.
Look at that.
Snap on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Big time.
Big time.
Yeah, he been in the game for a minute, so he
That
can.
don't even include his other 3 snap-ons.
Yeah. See, he good with inventory too, but he missing one. I'm sure he know where that's at. I don't want to go do his stuff, but my Russian buddy. Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all mine. Nope. No, I'm not gonna do it. y'all don't want to see my set, so let me end this video right now.